today we're gonna make some bread. Let's go!
The ingredients needed for this very easy bread in a coffee mug is 1 tablespoon of your favorite peanut butter, 1 medium or large egg, and 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of baking powder. Very easy.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're in the comments and press the bell. If you want to ask me any questions, just comment below if you want to come here in my city. Bye.
The items or utensils needed would be a coffee mug, a mixing bowl, an electric mixer or hand whisk, and a microwave oven. Good.
Look guys, today we're gonna make a bread.
You're gonna help Daddy make a bread today?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we gonna use?
And the peanut butter.
Yeah, a tablespoonful of peanut butter.
Yeah, and we're gonna put it in there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna use a... Okay, put it in.
Some more peanut butter on it.
That's enough.
Okay, that's weird.
Yeah, and put it inside there.
Now we
One egg.
1 egg.
Okay. Yeah. One more time. Okay. Put it in. That's it. There you go. No, not the egg. Put it there. And then 5 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay. Okay.
Now I want to mix it.
Yeah, mix it a bit.
We know how to make a bread. We use it. Okay, peanut butter is a little gross.
Okay, just hold on.
Okay, peanut butter's on there. With the peanut butter.
Okay, now we...
Now I'm gonna use that. I want to do it. I'm gonna do it by myself. Now to make bread, but it's a little loud. That's better. That's what happened, man. And we making a bread for long recess. Yes, yes, please.
Okay. I think that should be fine.
Yes, what are we gonna do now?
And put it into the cup.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Pour it into the cup.
I'm gonna do it.
And there at the bottom, there's nothing there.
A little bit.
And there's most of it. Okay. Let's put it in the microwave.
I like a broken egg.
Put it in the microwave.
Okay,
In the middle.
we're gonna do it 5 times.
No, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
2 minutes, guys.
2 minutes, guys.
Almost done.
Yeah.
Just be sure that either your parent,
Oh, no, it's
listen,
fine.
either your parent or an older brother that knows what to do, or sister to handle, because this is warm now.
Yeah.
You cannot handle it. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So someone has to help you with it.
Yes.
You can see what it looks like, sort of.
And let's go visit here.
Okay. Don't touch it. It's quite warm. Okay. If it doesn't come out, just take a damp cloth at the bottom.
Yeah.
See if it comes out. Cut it on the side.
Wow. It
Okay.
looks like a little bread sword.
Yeah.
It looks like a little cheeseburger. Whoa! Dang.
Hmm.
I never saw the bread like that before.
Okay, then you can
Cut it
that's a bit
and
warm.
put the butter on it.
See?
And 2 butters. And 3 butters. But my hands are very hot. That feels like hamburger. Like a cheeseburger. With only McDonald's. Or
Okay.
KFC.
You can maybe keep some.
Those on here? Can I?
Okay.
Yes. Should I eat it?
Nee,
Now,
lekker.
now can I eat it?
Yeah, eat it. And it's very yummy. And it's very quick.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do one.
It's nice. Cool.
It tastes like French fries. And can I? Is that mine?
Okay.
Here. Which one is yours?
So yeah, everybody can make a cup and have their own bread. Quite easy. Very tasteful. Works quite well. Yeah, you can experiment. So yeah. Hey, did you enjoy it? It's nice. It's your second piece. What does mommy say? She's happy with it. Okay. Alright. On to the next adventure.
Bye.
Bye guys, ciao. Enjoy your bread.